When it comes to finding a company that provides a product or service, nearly all searches begin with Google or Amazon. Of course, this depends on the type of search, with product-specific searches starting with Amazon or Google, and service-related searches overwhelmingly starting on Google. Whether you sell products or services, or if you are an e-commerce, local, or omni-channel provider, if you want more new customers, you cannot ignore the impact Google is having on consumer behavior. With Google being the top starting point for consumers overall, the best place to focus your limited budget and time as a small business is Google. Search advertising has become the main focus for the big budget advertisers. Today, it is where they allocate the most resources, and it is continually growing. The reason is simple. When done properly, search advertising works better than every other type of advertising available. With search marketing, for the first time in history, you can reach an in-market consumer in your target area, while they are actively trying to find the specific products or services you provide. This delivers results never before seen with traditional advertising, and it is why the big guys are transferring so much budget into search marketing and away from traditional marketing. The average business routinely sees returns between $2 and $25 on every dollar invested in Google Ads. Search marketing delivers excellent results, and it works well, but it is complicated, ever-changing, technical, and very time-consuming to do it right. So let's first take a look at how Google Ads work. When a consumer is searching for a product or service on Google, they enter a search query, a series of words they use to describe what they are looking for. Google then delivers a search result page that consists of paid ads and free organic listings. Depending on the type of search, the ads displayed are a bit different. For product-related searches, Google delivers a combination of ads at the top of search results pages. Prominence is given to the product-specific ads, which are almost always from online sellers. For locally driven searches, Google displays text-based ads at the top and local ads in their map experience. Many local searches end up on Google Maps, so being in the local ads is critical to campaign success. We all know that when we get a search result, we often click on the top ones. It's just easier and logical. In fact, over 96% of all clicks occur on the first page only. It is critical to your success to be in the top grouping. However, overspending to be in position 1 is a common mistake and can eat up your limited budget in minutes. No matter the subject matter of the search, it's clear Google gives prominence to its paying advertisers, putting them ahead of all other results, which is, no doubt, one of the reasons they work so well. The benefits of advertising on Google don't end there. The fact that you're willing to invest in advertising your business is a sign or clear signal to Google that they can trust you and thus rank your business higher in organic search listings. Any small business can benefit from running a Google ad campaign, even on a small budget, but you have to do it right, or you risk spending your budget without any return. Google Ads are complicated and based on many factors you need to consider to ensure you are targeting the right people, in the right place, at the right time. You must create campaigns that contain the right keywords. Identify and include budget-killing negative keywords. Set geographical targeting. Manage your keyword bidding and budget caps. Or risk having a campaign that chews up your budget quickly without delivering the sustainable results needed to help your business thrive. The complexity of maintaining an effective Google ad campaign is the reason the big guys outsource to agencies or hire internally. But for a smaller business with less resources and budget, this is not a viable option, as the cost of the specialized labor required to create and manage Google ad campaigns is often more expensive than the campaign itself. With smaller budgets, it is crucial that the budget is spent on the ads, which are what deliver the new customers, not spent on the consultants. Sadly, this paradox leaves most small businesses unable to reap the benefits of a search marketing campaign. They are locked out of the process. Today, with the advent and explosion of cloud computing and automation, the door has now been opened for smaller businesses, allowing them to compete with the big guys like never before in all kinds of areas like accounting, POS systems, e-commerce stores, customer relationship management, and business applications. Automation allows any small business, regardless of technical skill or budget. The opportunity to create effective Google ad campaigns to attract new customers.